Chandra Official, and today we'll be making some tikkis out of the leftover pulao. So here's the batter. This is the leftover pulao, and I've added some little bit of cornflakes in it for binding, and 2 to 3 pieces of bread. I've just mixed them up all, and I've made the batter out of it like this. I've just mixed them all like this nicely, and now we'll be just shaping them up out like this. We can put some little bit of oil also so that they don't stick on our hands. And see, we'll be taking a little bit of dough and making the tikkis out of it like this. And so we can according to the dough we'll be having a very nice quantity of the tikkis. I think 20 to 25 tikkis will be made like this, and I've already put some oil in the pan and it's getting heated. So after a while we'll be putting all these tikkis in the pan and we'll just shallow fry it. We can also make them in on tawas like that, and for nice binding we can add some more besan also. So we can try that thing some other day also. So right now I'm making them without besan, right? And see, I'm also done, almost done with the dough nicely. I'm enjoying it and kids will also enjoy, you know, it having, they do like some different thing rather than having you know, always paranthas and all like that. we are using it in another way. Otherwise we might at times we do give them the leftover pulao to the maids, or we are giving them, just give them to the cows, etc., right? So let us try. You can at least try once. Let us see what our kids' reaction is, and everybody will like. And I think now we are done with all the, you know, tikkis. See, and now oil is also heated up. Now let us try and shallow fry it, right, one by one. See, one, 2, 3, 4. I put just 5 tikkis in at one time. See, after a while we'll be shuffling them up. We'll be turning them after they become a little bit brown, right? And okay. Oops. And that happens. Let me show you. This is turning them up slowly. They are turning a little bit nice brown. Okay. Okay, for the meanwhile we'll be plating. I've put some sauce in it, this tomato ketchup, and I put some sauce in the tray, and I did it like this. Took some this karchi and put it over here and just did it like this. So it's looking nice. Okay, now I think they are done. सबके साथ all of them have got crispy brown, and now let us take it out and put it on the plate one by one. Because of rice, little bit of they are scattering. So this is because we haven't put I think some more. We could have put some more bread for more binding. Okay, but that's okay with us. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Alright, see, we are done with the breakfast. Okay. So here it is. Wow. Okay, you can also enjoy a little bit and just let you people also try at your homes, and just let me know in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye bye.